Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're going to be making a can of tuna fish, 12 ounces, with pickled eggs I made. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. These are about 6 or 8 weeks old. I already have my tuna fish drained and all that. Now, I usually stick pickle relish in my tuna fish and egg, but I never tried pickled eggs in my tuna fish. Just go ahead, get one of these out. Maybe, yep, there we go. Slice it up. Put that in there. Everybody in. Come on, there we go. Add some mayo. Just great value reduced fat mayo with olive oil. Add some Old Bay. Dried minced onion. Give it a stir. A little more mayo. Okay. That looks about right for mayo. Just go ahead and give it a little taste. Half a piece of bread for Blue Dog. Okay, that's really good. I think you probably use another egg, but I like that better than pickle relish. The combination of eggs and pickle relish, that is really good. I just think it takes one more egg to a 12-ounce can. Okay, hopefully you found this useful. This was just a fun video to do for me, just to try it. Do me a favor, click on the subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.